Hi, I'm Girly.
I'm Kirill.
And we are Customer Support Rockstars. Working in TransferWise, Customer Support, or CS as we call it, is world-changing experience every day. We help customers to the next level.
That's right. Usually customers, the support and the service they're getting from a company is just customer support. We take it to the next level. It's something that we do as we would do it for a real close friend, right?
That's right.
So how is it being here at TransferWise? It feels so much more than a job, and everything here is special. I love coming in for those Monday mornings, for those Saturday evenings, whatever. It feels awesome. Everyone's so supportive and helpful in everything that you just feel delighted. It's far better than even going to school or in kindergarten, you know.
It's a big happy family.
It is.
Everyone's friendly, everyone's awesome. It's a joy to wake up in the morning. After a week holiday, you actually wait to come to work. It's, I can't really describe it.
The feel of wholeness and the sense of duty, even when it might be a bit hard or might be just flying, that doesn't really matter.
It's the teamwork when it's hard, like everyone get together and like rock the business
exactly.
stage.
We feel so energized about it. You can see it on our smiling faces, I guess.